Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. Got the cut going on here. See what this is. Alright. Here we go. Big unveiling. Alright, this is courtesy of New Path Designs. Like I said, I'll have the links down below. And this is the neck relief hammock. Whoa. Alright. Pro Ion and relaxation device. Ooh. Should be coming helpful. Here we go. Get the bag out. Got the manual. Might need that because some assembly may be required. Put you guys over there. Here we go. Alright, here's this. Comes a nice little satchel. Most likely waterproof. So this you could take on the go with you, at your college dorms, your office during the daytime. Oh boy, here it is. So we got the bag right here. Put it to the side. Neck relief hammock. Alright. So yeah, definitely gonna have to hook this up. Here's a little clasp. And I have no idea. I never had one of these, and now I do, so I'm definitely going to learn about it. I'm going to pause you guys in a few minutes. And then, come on out. We'll see how this thing works. But first goal is getting through this loop. There we go. Alright, nice and easy. So we got that separated. So you gotta hook this up to a door, I think, from the instructions I saw online. And that's called carabiner bungee. So this is a bungee. This is that carabiner, whatever it's called. That's a neck hammock, travel pouch. Oh, adjustable strap. And that's carbonate, so you gotta take this off too. Well, that's where you're gonna position it on your door, maybe even headboard on your bed. But it looks like a doorknob, so this is separate. Alright, here we go. Brief skim in case you guys lose the directions. They'll be on this channel, so use the loop end. So you gotta loop it. Wrap the inside doorknob. So, bring strap to the other side, so just strap so the hammock is 1 to 3 inches from the ground. So like that. Adjustable strap. Oh boy. Alright, I'm gonna get to it and I'll be back once I get it all set up. So pretty much you get your head like this. Like you see my head right there. And it's really comfortable. So you can fall asleep easily. And easy to hook up, like I said. And then, be right back. Definitely, YouTubers, check them out. I'll have the links down below. I already feel a lot better just for those few seconds playing my neck like that. So, in case you guys want to get one for yourself, your friends, great stocking stuffers, and another great tool to use in your daily life for after workouts, pre-workouts. Can't sleep at night, this will help you. Pretty cool though, so check them out. I have the link down below. You guys be safe and have a great day.